In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use TradingView to enhance your trading strategies. We'll walk through a hands-on example focusing on the BTC USD chart and explore the practical application of trend lines. So let's get started. First, navigate to your preferred TradingView chart. In this demonstration, we'll be examining the Bitcoin to US dollar chart. On this chart, you'll notice that the price has been trending down on the 4-hour mark. Spotting trends like these is crucial for making informed trading decisions. One powerful tool to aid you in spotting trends is the trend line. It helps give you an edge, visually representing where the market might be headed. As you observe the chart, you'll begin to notice several areas where the price bounces, creating lower highs and lower lows. This pattern indicates a downward momentum. Recognizing these patterns early can significantly enhance your ability to predict market movements. Next, direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. There, on the toolbar, you'll see an icon resembling a diagonal line. This is the trendline tool. You can simply hover over it with your mouse or tap it if you're using a mobile device, and you'll see the tool's name pop up. Once you've located the trendline tool, you're ready to begin drawing. Now this is where it gets interesting. Carefully place the trend line at key reversal points, also known as touch points, on your chart. Connect these touch points together and you'll start to discern a pattern of behavior that the price seems to follow. Drawing these lines correctly can illuminate potential future movements and areas of interest. Once you've plotted your trend line, take a moment to examine it. You might notice that the price has reversed at least twice recently at your drawn line. This is the minimum requirement needed to establish a valid trend line. Identifying these reversal points helps in confirming the strength of your trend and can guide you in making more robust trading decisions. Pay close attention to how the price interacts with your trend line. It's possible that it could break through, indicating a potential change in trend, or it might respect the line and reverse yet again. Trading in these zones can provide more reliable entry and exit points. Lastly, remember that trend lines aren't confined to just one time frame. You can apply them across multiple time periods to gain different perspectives on market behavior. So go ahead and experiment with drawing trend lines on various time frames. This practice is an excellent way to solidify your understanding and high application of this vital trading tool. Happy trading, and may your charts predict wisely.